Hello, I'm Bruno. I'm a team leader and a member of the Order of Miners at WIC Construction, and I'm particularly specialized in building refurbishment. Come on, follow me. I'm in the 16th arrondissement of Paris amid a refurbishment project involving 300 homes. We're restoring the communal areas and, inside the flats, we're bringing the electrics up to standard and installing PMCs. We're renovating the wet rooms and all that, while keeping the flats occupied. On the 7th and 8th floors, the work is more extensive as we're converting former maids' rooms into social housing. To do this, my team and I start by installing steel frameworks. We're working on 10 buildings. Managing logistics, technical aspects, and living with residents is essential. My role is to manage the team, coordinate the work, keep track of schedules, and supervise the technical operations. I love being in the thick of it. On site, every day brings new challenges. Renovating means renewing buildings for more comfort for residents. As a Miner Range companion, I embody excellence. Its source of pride means responsibility, commitment. Being a Miner Range companion means upholding values, building with heart, serving others. Beyond building sites, goodbye, reaching 7th floor.